Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a must-have for anyone looking to take their skincare routine to the next level, the NuFACE Trinity FDA-cleared microcurrent facial device kit. This at-home treatment promises to give you a professional-level facial experience, featuring a combination of microcurrent technology, red light therapy, and a targeted attachment for the lips and eyes. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The NuFACE Trinity device is designed to provide a customizable, clinically proven microcurrent treatment that tones, lifts, and tightens the skin, offering both instant and long-term results. It uses low-level electrical currents to stimulate the facial muscles, promoting a firmer, more youthful appearance. The kit includes the Trinity device, a microcurrent gel, and a specialized attachment for targeted treatment around the eyes and lips. The Aqua Gel is infused with their proprietary IonPlex technology, delivering ions and glacial water to prep and hydrate the skin for the treatment. The lip and eye attachment works with ergonomic dual wands, targeting harder-to-reach areas, while the red light therapy aims to smooth fine lines. Using the NuFACE Trinity is pretty straightforward, but I did notice that it requires a little patience. The device itself is lightweight and ergonomic, making it easy to maneuver, especially when focusing on the delicate areas around the eyes and mouth. The Aqua Gel is a nice touch, leaving the skin hydrated and prepared for treatment, while the Silk Creme adds a firming and brightening boost. One thing I'll point out, while the results were noticeable immediately, they were subtle, so this isn't a magic wand. Over time, though, you'll likely start to see more significant improvements. The red light therapy was gentle and soothing, enhancing the experience. So what are the strengths and weaknesses of this device? On the plus side, it's easy to use and versatile, offering targeted treatments for those hard-to-reach areas. The technology, including microcurrent and red light therapy, works as promised, and it feels like you're getting a professional treatment at home. However, one downside is that it may take consistent use over time to see more dramatic results. Also, the price point is on the higher side, so it may not be the most budget-friendly option for everyone. Now let's talk value for money. Given the combination of advanced technology, FDA clearance, and the inclusion of both the device and targeted attachments, it certainly offers a lot for the price, especially when compared to professional facials that can cost significantly more. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are alternatives that might provide similar benefits, though they may not have all the bells and whistles of the NuFACE Trinity. In terms of build quality, this device feels well constructed. It's lightweight but durable, with an ergonomic design that makes it easy to use for extended sessions. As for longevity, I haven't had this device for long enough to speak to long-term durability, but given the brand's reputation and the materials used, I'm confident it will hold up well. While I didn't personally need customer support, NuFACE has a strong reputation for responsive service. If you do run into issues, they offer guided tutorials and have an active customer service team to assist you. To sum it all up, the NuFACE Trinity is a solid option for those looking to achieve tighter, more toned skin without visiting a professional. It combines microcurrent technology, red light therapy, and a targeted lip and eye treatment attachment, making it versatile. If you're looking for a non-invasive, at-home solution for wrinkles and fine lines, this could be a great fit for you, but it's an investment, so make sure you're ready for that commitment. Mid-review call to action. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so others can also discover whether the NuFACE Trinity might be the right fit for their skincare routine. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to get the NuFACE Trinity in the comments below. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions if you've used it yourself. Goodbye, till next time, and remember, beauty is in the details with Beautyistic.